Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade Bofete and I'm excited to share with you Papermate's Creative Journaling Kit. This is for the SM Stationery Virtual Art Fest 2021. I will be sharing my process of creative journaling, which is combining illustrations and writing using pens from Papermate. I'm excited to see you at the virtual workshop on the 2nd day of May 2021. What's inside the Creative Journaling Kit? The kit includes Papermate Jiffy. It comes with 4 pens with colors black, red, blue, and green. It also includes Papermate Flair limited edition pack of Candy Pop felt tip pens. It also includes Papermate Flair Ultrafine Felt Tip Pens. It comes in 4 colors: black, blue, red, and green. There are also 10 vellum boards included in the kit, which will be used for the upcoming workshop of SM Stationery Virtual Art Fest 2021 with Papermate pens. These are the set of pens that we will be using in the upcoming creative journaling workshop. Look at how beautiful the colors are. So perfect for any writing activity like journaling. Let's organize these Papermate pens and prepare them for the upcoming workshop. In our upcoming workshop, we will be learning how to journal about the things that we are happy about and our life adventures in a very creative way. The details on how to purchase this kit and finally join the online workshop, just check the links I shared below and follow SM Stationery and Papermate Philippines on Instagram, like as well their Facebook page. Hope to see you! Bye!